Welcome everyone. I am Kaili Nathan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are discussing about ME 351 Manufacturing Technology 1 subject, unit number 3, important topic, hot working process. And this is unit 3 syllabus for Anna University, basic. Introduction about the hot working process. The process of rolling consists of passing the hot ingot through the two rollers, rotating in opposite direction at a uniform peripheral speed. To confirm the desired thickness of the rolled section, the space between the rollers is adjusted and is away less than the thickness of ingot being fed. Hence, to reduce the cross section and increase the length of passing ingot, the rollers are skewed. When a metal passes through the roller, there is change in its grain structure due to the skewing. The grains are elongated in the direction of rolling and the velocity of metal at the exit is higher than that at the entry. After crossing the cross zone, the grain is refined. Shown in the figure, having a two roller for upper and lower roller, the workpiece will be fed into the upper end roller in between. Beginningly, the workpiece grain structure will be somewhat bigger, but the workpiece will be crossed for the roller. The grain size will be recrystallized and the cross section of grains will be reduced. For this thing, the workpiece length will be increased, thickness will be reduced, and the types of rolling mills. 2 high roller, 3 high roller, 4 high rolling mill, tandem rolling mill, cluster rolling mill, planetary rolling mill, universal rolling mill. First one is a 2 high rolling mill. It consists of 2 heavy horizontal rolling plates exactly one over the other. The space between two rolls can be adjusted by resisting or lowering the upper roll. Wherever the position of the roll is fixed, both the roller rotate in opposite direction to each other. In this type, the direction of rotation is fixed and cannot be reversed. There is another type of 2 high rolling mill which incorporated a drive mechanism that can reverse the direction of the roll. This type of rolling mill is called as 2 high reversing mill. This is the diagram for 2 high rolling mill having 2 roller and workpiece will be fed into the gap of 2 roller and to reduce the cross section of workpiece. 3 high rolling mill. It consists of 3 horizontal roller positioned directionally one over the other. The direction of rotation of the upper and lower roller are same, but the intermediate roll rotate in the opposite direction of each other. All the 3 rollers revolve continuously in the same fixed direction and they are never reversed. The work is fed in one direction, but the upper and middle roll and in the reverse direction between the middle and roll. This result in a high production rate the 2 high rolling mill. shown in the image. The diagram will be shown in the image. Next, 4-high rolling mill. It consists of 4 horizontal rollers, that means 2 of smaller diameter and 2 of large diameter, arranged directionally one over the other. The large diameter rod are called as backup rod, and they are used to prevent the direction of small rod, which otherwise should result in thickness of rolled plate or sheet at the center. This is a diagram of 4-high rolling mill. The small diameter rolls are called as working roll, which concentrate the total rolling pressure over the metal. The common product of this mill are hot or cold rolled sheet and plate itself. Next, tandem rolling mill. It is a set of 2 or 3 standard of roll set in parallel alignment, depending upon the thickness reduction of our workpiece. It is similarly to the 4-high rolling mill itself. This facilitates a continuous pass through each one successive without change of direction of the metal or rolling process. In tandem rolling mill, work is reduce the thickness very huge amount. Here also having for shown in the diagram 3 stages of 4 rolling mill. All the rollers will be working in individual 4 high rolling mill work, and to workpiece thickness will be reduced huge amount stage by stage. Next, cluster rolling mill. It is a special type of 4-high rolling mill. In this, each of the 2 working roll is backed up by 2 or more of the large backup roller. Shown in the diagram, 2 working rollers having both the working roller will be smaller diameter, and 4 backing roller, individual working roller having 2 backup roller. Okay, this backing roller is supporting to the working roller. For rolling hard thin material, this is especially using for hard rolling thin material. It is necessary to employ work rod of very small diameter but of considerable length. In such case, adequate support of the working roller can be obtained by using a cluster mill. Next, planetary rolling mill. For the rolling arrangement requiring large reduction, a number of free rotating wheels are used inserted of a single small roll, shown in the figure. The planetary mill consists of a pair of heavy packing rolls surrounded by a large number of planetary rolls. The main feature of this mill is that it reduces a hot slab to a coiled strip in the single pass. Each pair of planetary roll give an almost constant reduction to the slab. The total reduction is the sum of series of such small reduction forever each other in rapid succession. The feed roll are used to push the slab through a guide into planetary roller. On the axis side, the planing mill is installed to improve the surface finish. It's how to finishing mill. And next one, universal rolling mill. In this type of rolling mill, the metal is reduced by both horizontal and vertical roll. The vertical rolls are mounted either on one side or on both sides of horizontal roll stand, which make the edge of bar even and smooth. The horizontal roll may be either 2 high, 3 high or 4 high arrangement shown in the figure. Thank you, students. Thank you one and all.